Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to fix a non-working numpad on your keyboard in Windows 10 and 11. First, I'm checking my keyboard. When I press number lock, I hear a sound. My numpad isn't working. I thought my keyboard was broken, so I'm changing it. But the same problem persists, its numpad isn't working. Now, let me tell you how you can set it up since its settings are messed up. First, open the Start menu and search for Settings. Open it, then click on Accessibility. Scroll up. Tap on Mouse here, and simply turn off mouse keys. Now, see that my keyboard's numpad has started working again. Now I'm doing this on Windows 10. First, open the Start menu and search for Settings. Open it. Here you see Ease of Access, click on it. Here you see Mouse, click on it. Here you see Control your mouse with a keypad. Simply turn it off. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe for more updates.